We just built something amazing. I want to create a tool that allows me to enter keyword. We officially have published this application. Baby, it's working. How do you vibe code something from scratch? How do you, what's the method to do that? By the way, check this out. Cute little idea generator graphic. I'm going to say option 3. Let's do option. Hit create image. That's canvas. I want to create a tool that allows me to enter a keyword and it generates all these questions in a card, and it allows me to copy each question if I want, and allows me to download all questions in a CSV file or as HTML. I'd be happy to compare a landing page, JavaScript, and blend keyword to questions generator. This is an excellent idea for a client-side tool that can help with content creation, SEO, research, and brainstorming. Oh, brainstorming. This is, all right, so we're doing this. We're getting busy. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to pull up, let's test it out. Baby, it's working. Let's do Sales Navigator. Generate questions. Ooh, what is Sales Navigator? What does Sales Navigator mean? How do you define Sales Navigator? Why use Sales Navigator? What is Sales Navigator used for? What are the benefits of Sales Navigator? What are the problems with Sales Navigator? How do I use Sales Navigator? How do I get started with Sales Navigator? How does LinkedIn Sales Navigator work? How do you set up Sales Navigator? Sales Navigator versus other alternatives. Is Sales Navigator the best option? What's the difference between Sales Navigator and similar tools? How much does Sales Navigator cost? Is Sales Navigator free? What's the price of Sales Navigator? Is there a trial of Sales Navigator? What features does Sales Navigator have? What do you do with Sales Navigator? What are Sales Navigator capabilities? Why isn't Sales Navigator working? How do you fix Sales Navigator? Common Sales Navigator issues. What does Sales Navigator integrate with? I wonder if I can create a tool that will automatically allow me to click checkboxes off. Holy shistles. Should we do that? Should we create a Google Chrome extension now? Create a Google Chrome extension with no icons, please. That does one simple thing. It checks off all the checkboxes on LinkedIn when I'm inviting people to something. This is extremely beneficial when you're coming up with topics or what to post about on social media, or what videos, or for SEO, or for research or brainstorming. This is a good starting point for you to be able to generate questions that will allow you to create content very quickly. So if you want access to this right now, you can try this for free at strategy.eviai.com/question generator. You generate the questions, and then you can check off, do you want to include questions or just statements, and save it to history. It'll save it to the history on your computer. So if you want to pull up a previous one, you can hit load results, and it'll pull up a previous one that you can then check out. If you want to copy any of these out into your clipboard, you can press a little copy button. Eventually, I'm going to have my team click a button to be able to create a post out of this. So this way you can just hit create a post, or create an FAQ, or create an email out of this. But I think this is a really good starting point for anyone that wants to be able to quickly create content. Start by creating questions and statements. The keyword generator is one of the best friends in content creation. One-click generator, 40 questions to your audience. Is designed.
Want to make networking easier and more effective? Try Evi AI, your AI-powered sidekick that helps you connect, engage, and grow your network faster than ever. Click the link and start building smarter relationships today.